Many designers face the same issues when creating this UI component, even in big companies. They usually create a accordion with lack of usability, leading to poor user experience. And today, in this episode, I will show you exactly how to create a user-friendly accordion in Figma.
Now let's create a title. To check it here, I think better choose it with font weight of medium. Then we search for phosphor icons plugin, and we search for caret up and caret down icon. We drag this icon over there. Okay, nice. Now let's resize these icons to 12 pixel width and 12 pixel height, and drag the caret down icon over there. Then I will create a icon grabber frame. You can see this called frame 1. Then we will align it center vertical and rename this frame to icon. Nice. Then we will resize the parent frame to around 20 pixel height, 20 pixel width, and then we will add a background for this parent frame to F1, 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 and route it to 999. Yeah, then we have a kind of circle icon like this. We will align it, add an auto layout and align it center vertical. Then we add the auto spacing between title and icon. Rename this section to heading. Now I will drag this title over there and change the font weight to regular, and I will find the lorem ipsum plugin. Nice. Then let's generate 3 sentences. Lorem ipsum. Then I will narrow the width like this. Now let's create a auto layout content grabber for the expanded content and rename this auto layout to content. So let's add padding top and padding bottom for this heading. Then we will add another auto layout to grab the heading and content. And I will add padding left and right for this parent auto layout. Then we can add a background on it and add a bottom stroke for this heading to separate the heading and the content. We can add a slightly correct. Now let's create a border radius for this accordion. We will resize this accordion to the width like the component I created before over there. Let's select this child frame and choose field like this one, and choose the content and choose fields like this. Rename this component to accordion. Done. We created the expanded state, and I've dragged this component over there for creating the collapse state. Now I will replace this icon for create collapse state icon. I copy it and paste it there, then I delete the current icon. And the final step is just hide or delete the content of the collapse state, and we will remove the bottom stroke like this, and done. Now we will create multiple components like this. Select this and choose the button on top, create multiple components, then we will combine it as variants. Next we'll rename this to state and pick this one, choose the state of collapse, the other one is expanded. And done. We create the accordion component. So now is the interesting part of this tutorial. We will create prototype. Select the collapse one, connect to the expanded, and choose Smart Animate I will choose the ease in and out 300 millisecond duration. Nice. Then I will select the heading, drag it there, and choose the same, ease in and out with 300 milliseconds. Done. Now we can drag it over there and create a frame. Then we add this component for prototype. Let's select the tablet, iPad, drag the iPad frame over there. I think we can add a slightly gray color for the background, like this. And then I will drag the accordion over there to see how it looks. But content is appear before the accordion expanded.
And suddenly I'm facing some bug. Maybe it takes more little bit of time to fix it. But I try my best. I'll come back soon. And finally, after it takes me a little bit of time to research how to fix all of this that I face, now I saw all of it. Look at this, how beautiful it is. Look at this.
Now it looks like animated together, right? To achieve it, let's look at this content section I created. This is content collapse. Then I hide it. And look at this one is appear, but the different name, content. This is the solution. Create different name of the content between the collapse state and the expanded state to make the animation looks animated together between heading and content. This is how I figured it out. Hope you guys like this. And this is the end of this video. Thank you everyone. See ya in the next video.